Sorry for the disturbance. So let us continue, and this will be treated as the second part. Okay. So where we were? So we were here. Economic equality. So the government treats everybody equally. There isn't any disparity between the rich and the poor. The government tries to bring equality among the rich as well as the poor. The difference, whatever the difference is between the rich and the poor, the government tries to decrease the gap. Okay, this is the features of the mixed economy. Okay, profit motive and social welfare. See both there. Profit motive is from the capitalistic point of view, and social welfare is from the socialistic point of view. The capitalist economy is there because the capitalistic one profit, and the government is there. The government wants social welfare. So when they come both together, so both is there. Profit is also there as well as social welfare is also there. So this is what the feature of profit motive and social welfare. Okay. Next, the last topic. Let's come to difference between developed and developing. Points of difference. Poverty. See here. In developed economy, okay, developed economies are financially sound, okay, high standard of living is there. In developed economy, they are financially sound, means they have lots of wealth, they are paid nice, and the standard of living is very much high as compared to the developing or underdeveloped. Okay, yes, see, these economies are not financially sound. They are not financially sound, and the standard of living is low as compared to developed. Population. In developed economy, okay, it is not overpopulated. Too much population is not there. But in developing underdeveloped, okay, there is overpopulated. Too many population is there. Okay. Main occupation. In developed economy, main occupation is industry. But here in developing economy or underdeveloped economy, the main occupation is agriculture. Here, literacy and skill. Literacy means their education. Skill means trained and all. So, majority of the people is literate and force is skilled. Majority of the people, they are educated, they are literate, and they are highly trained. They are highly trained and they are skillful. And here, majority of the people are illiterate and labor force for unskilled. And majority of the people, they are uneducated, illiterate, and mostly labor force, they are unskilled. They are not so trained enough. They are not so trained enough. Next, techniques of production. Okay, production techniques are modern and up to date. Production techniques are modern techniques are used and up to date. Everything are kept. But here, what happens? Traditional and old techniques of production are used. Traditional and old method of technology are used. Here, mechanism. Large scale, capital intensive industries are used for production. A large scale, see here, capital intensive, see here, fine. Okay, capital intensive means machineries and all. Okay, large scale capital intensive industries are used for production, and here small scale and cottage industries are used for production. Okay, small scale and cottage industries are used for production. In developed countries, large scale is there and capital intensive method is used. Okay, and in developing or underdeveloped, okay, small industries and cottage industries are operated for the production. Understood? So this is what is there in our today's chapter. So here we complete our fourth chapter. Okay, here we complete our fourth chapter, that is classification of an economy. So what we have discussed about, okay, the capitalist economy features, socialistic economy features, mixed economy features, okay, developing. In my first video, so I was up to here only, I was up to mixed economy and point number 5. Okay, till because of the disturbance occurred, so I had to discontinue the video, and again I have to continue in this video. So hope you understand the problem which we are facing. Okay, see, while making the video we are disturbed too much, but still we are working hard for you all. But you also do your duty as well as follow your responsibility. Whatever is being uploaded, okay, have a look through it, go through it. Okay, so thank you for today's chapter as well as today's topic.